Hello everyone, welcome to our new episode. And today is the first time we are going to do mukbang, but ये healthy mukbang है.
Is this a mukbang?
Sort of, I thought we'll just talk. Actually, we ran out of ideas. Let us be honest. We ran out of ideas.
The whole day we were doing our own thing.
Yeah.
And we took a little rest from yesterday's hiking.
Yeah.
वैसे तो नहीं कि we were very tired or anything like that. But sometimes we do take कभी-कभी हम लोग थोड़ा rest लेता है.
Required rest.
Yeah.
Actually.
In a week, maybe one day or something like that. And for us, it's not a fixed day. जैसे कि Sunday, you know, because Sunday is a holiday, it's a rest day.
No, it's not like that for us.
For us,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
some Sundays can be so busy.
Yeah.
So today happened to be that day where we took some much needed rest, and so shoot nahi kiya, but we took a resolution. Was it a resolution?
Resolution on what?
Ki we'll try to vlog daily.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Haan.
See, the idea why we want to vlog daily is not because we can start eating.
I thought we'll talk about what's on my plate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
okay.
You continue.
Let me finish though. So why we are vlogging daily is not because of views or because of subscribers. Even though, of course, let us be very honest, we would love to have more subscribers and more views. Nothing wrong with that. But daily vlogging also, when we started daily vlogging in 2015, I remember it felt difficult in the beginning because uploading, shooting every day is a challenge. But in the process, it was a life-changing experience also. Vlogging is very popular now. Everyone vlogs, almost everyone vlogs. But back then in 2015, I remember there were a few people whom we stumbled upon. People like Casey Neistat and Ben Brown and all these people. It was a new concept back then, vlogging. But they were vlogging daily and it was challenging. But it brought discipline when we started vlogging.
Yeah.
Because it requires discipline. You have to, you know, shoot every day. And it's not like for us, we are not full-time vloggers. I'm a politician. She is an entrepreneur. So we do our own thing. We don't plan the day deciding on the video, on the vlog. But we decided that if we start vlogging every day, it would kind of keep a check on our discipline also. So yeah, that's why we started. Let's see how far we are successful in doing that.
Yeah.
But we are enjoying it so far, and I think that matters.
Yeah.
That you enjoy it. So now, Roohi, tell us what is on our plate.
So right now हम dinner खा रहे हैं. तो usually dinner हमारा 4 बजे होता है. आजकल we have just changed our timing. आज 6 बज गया है. So it's just simple roti, सूखा रोटी with this सब्जी is केला का सब्जी. It's banana fry, जो कच्चा केला हमने ख़रीदा था सैटरडे को. और ये है आलू का चटनी, आलू with करेला, mashed potatoes with करेला. और ये पापड़ है, पापड़.
So this is a different version of
आलू पिटिका.
आलू पिटिका.
True. और ये पापड़ बहुत पहले मैंने बना दिया था. अब तो पापड़ का वो क्रैकलिंग नॉइस ही नहीं है. मतलब बिकॉज वी आर एडजस्टिंग द कैमरा एंगल एंड ऑल.
कर दो, माइक्रोफोन के सामने आ जाएगा.
एंड देन वी हैव दाल. यहाँ पे खीरा, टोमेटो. यहाँ पे प्रॉन का चटनी, जिसको जो चाहिए. एंड दिस इज राजा मिर्ची. आई हैड इट द अदर डे. इट वाज टू हॉट टू हैंडल. आई मे नॉट एज वेल ईट इट. और ये है चिकन का अचार, लूसी अडाई ने दिया था. So we can eat this perhaps. So bon appetit, right? Chalo, let's eat.
I've already started.
Wow. Let us know in the comment section down below whose mukbang is most popular at the moment and whose mukbangs do you enjoy watching the most. Of late, मुझे पूछो.
Yeah.
I've been following this girl called Maddie Eats. She's a Bengali girl. She eats a lot. I find it very satisfying when I see her.
Really? Satisfying how?
It's like I won't be able to eat anything in the amount that she eats in this lifetime. I'm happy that she can eat it. I pray for her good health also. वो चावल भी ऐसा खाता है वो like ऐसे. It's like she shoves it all. Chawal, chow, noodles.
Not very appealing to see.
Not at all appealing. There are many people, na? That's okay. Maybe we can do a mukbang while we're eating rice. Some people are very messy eaters with their hands. Some people, ये पूरा palm उनका गंदा हो जाता है when they eat rice. So I find that a little. Can you find me a suitable word? I find that a little.
Etiquette, food etiquette.
Missing there. We can do that. So Maddie eats.
What about the noise that you make? Some people, even some mukbang, what do you call them? Mukbangers? Mukbangers? Those who do mukbang, what do you call them?
No idea.
My mother also watches. I don't know if she does it anymore, but at one point of time she was also watching a lot of mukbang. I think everyone started watching a lot of mukbang. That is something I would like to talk about today also. You remember?
Yeah.
Like we also, obviously, mukbang is a big thing now. So we also did watch mukbang because we were curious about this new form of video making, but never caught a fancy. But I'm more interested to know, and maybe a little bit concerned also about what might be the effects of mukbang watching, especially among people who might have some health issues or people who have a difficulty in controlling their food habits, whether it be excess eating or eating less, or more importantly maybe children, because I see now mukbang is so popular that and YouTube watching is synonymous with everyone and even toddlers. You know, my nephew also, children of my friends, 3-year-old, 4-year-old, everyone is watching.
Devang watches mukbang where people are eating sweets. Yeah,
ऐसा
I
भी
saw
है
him.
ना?
हाँ, just
No,
sweets, chocolates.
all the children are watching mukbangs. A lot of young people are watching mukbang. So I was just wondering कि adults तो ठीक है, they know कि okay ये एक नया वीडियो कंटेंट फॉर्मेट आया है, एक ट्रेंड आया है, शायद ख़त्म भी हो जाएगा ये ट्रेंड, यू नो. बट चिल्ड्रन माइट बी वाचिंग इट इन ए डिफरेंट वे ना. वो लोग तो ऐसा नहीं सोचेगा कि ये तो ट्रेंड है, यू नो, अपने लोग व्यूज़ चाहिए, ये चाहिए, इसलिए वो लोग ऐसे ट्रेंड बना रहा है. फॉर चिल्ड्रन, इफ़ दे आर नॉट गाइडेड प्रॉपरली बाय देयर पेरेंट्स.
I don't think parents these days they have time also to guide their children. बस एक मोबाइल थमा देता है, that's it. That's what I have seen in majority of the households. Let me know if I'm wrong. But whosoever I've known, they would just hand over a mobile to their kids. That's it.
I read somewhere that a lot of that is happening because, of course, one is that parents are busy sometimes. The other reason is कि parents give phones to their children while the parents themselves are also on the phone.
Very much so. Because parents also, after a whole day of work, they also want to spend some time on their mobile.
So mobile phone is the new TV, na?
Go through reels.
Is the new TV how the family used to watch TV together. But now it's more personal.
But लेकिन mukbang बीच में मुझे क्या पसंद आया, जस्ट बिकॉज आई बीन होता है ना रिकमेंडेशन ऐसे, इफ़ यू आर वाचिंग मुकबांग तो मुकबांग वाला ही चैनल आता रहता है। हाँ, इंडोनेशिया का वाला काफ़ी आ रहा है। आई लाइक देयर मुकबांग चैनल, दे ईट हेल्दी, दे ईट राइस वेरी मच लाइक अस। And the ones whom I watch are the ones who eat in normal quantity. And there is so much of similarity of our food habits. तो इसलिए अच्छा लगता है वो लोग को देखने में। And one thing I observed about Indonesians is that जब चावल खाता है ना वो लोग, they don't use a lot of झोल like us ना, gravy। जैसे कि ये चिकन का चटनी से they'll have lot of items, जैसे कि फिश फ्राई हो जाएगा, चिकन फ्राई हो जाएगा, but they don't use a lot of gravy. So उनको देख के even I've been, were you so hungry? तुम्हारा 2 रोटी खत्म? Wow.
I think because I was talking and I was thinking about something else. What to say. So this is an example of non-mindful eating.
You're not a mindful eater anyway.
I've been trying to practice that though lately.
Should I give it to you? I don't think so. You have failed today.
Today I failed. Today I failed. But I have been trying to eat mindfully lately.
No, I don't think so. Maybe you're just telling yourself a lie.
Arey no yaar.
How?
I have. That is why
You keep news on top, like alongside your food.
Yeah, did you see me doing that for the last
I saw it today.
2-3 days? Today in the morning?
Yeah.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Once maybe.
You were watching news. You were finishing Joe Rogan's podcast. You were listening to Lex Friedman.
Really?
Yeah.
Not while eating.
That wasn't me. That was you.
अच्छा ठीक है. So coming back to mukbang. Yeah. Healthy mukbang, I think I'm okay with. Unhealthy, over the top, only for views mukbang, unnatural eating, that kind of thing तो yeah, it's for entertainment. You can say entertainment के लिए कुछ भी चलता है. So I don't want to come here and be all preachy about what is right, what is wrong, what is healthy, what is not healthy. But still, फिर भी we never know कि उसका effects किसको ऊपर क्या हो रहा है ना. And come on, एक चीज़ तो है like पूरा full table खाना. No way that's natural ना.
She eats saw anda with chicken curry. Then she eats drumstick.
So many people. Mukbang actually got popular because of people eating large quantity of food na. That is more shocking. There's a shock value. So wahi. But I think mukbang also might be evolving abhi. Kyunki I think some of the Northeast India मुकबांगर्स आ रहा है मेरे मुंह में. जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया का जो लोग मुकबांग कर रहा है अभी, सम ऑफ देम आई लाइक. इतना देखा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी जैसे कि कैन व्लॉग्स इज वेरी पॉपुलर ना, नागालैंड का. आई थिंक नॉर्मल अमाउंट ऑफ फूड ही खाता है. उसका यूएसपी हो गया जैसे कि स्पाइसी फूड, नो डाउट, बट दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहा है. यू नो कि नागालैंड में तो नागा मोर्चा स्पाइसी फूड तो लोग खाते ही है. एंड बिकॉज और एक तो यूएसपी होगा दैट नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडियन फूड ना,
it's out there.
Yeah, which might be a new thing for many people, especially rest of India के लिए तो, or maybe even foreigners also. And one more guy ना, he's a Dimasa guy, but from Nagaland. क्या नाम था? Kemprai food.
Yeah.
कुछ Kemprai food vlog.
Kemprai.
Sorry,
Something.
I don't remember the name, exact name, but Kemprai है I think. उसका भी I think normal है.
I watched him few days ago.
कुछ एकदम इनॉर्मस अमाउंट ऑफ फूड तो नहीं खाता है.
It's simple food.
और एक ब्लॉगर बीच में वायरल हुआ था ना, ब्लॉगर बोला मुकबांग आर्टिस्ट जिसने अल्कोहल मुकबांग किया रहा.
कौन?
अरे अल्कोहल मुकबांग.
Who does that?
Did you not see it?
Did you
अरे
show
आई
me?
थिंक इज अ कुकी गाय. कहाँ का है तो मालूम नहीं, मणिपुर का शायद.
अच्छा. With Jack Daniels.
जैक डैनियल्स वो बाद में किया. फर्स्ट जो उसका वायरल हुआ वो ब्लैक लेबल.
Wow.
सो
मतलब वो ही drank one whole bottle.
हाँ
Full. Half भी नहीं, quarter भी नहीं.
फुल. ऑफ कोर्स वो तो
दांत
ये
देना
थोड़ा
पड़ेगा.
कंट्रोवर्शियल है ये तो. हाउ कैन इट नॉट बी कंट्रोवर्शियल?
क्यों? दारू
एक
ही तो पिए.
बोतल पूरा एक आदमी पी रहा है.
अकेले तो पी रहा है.
मुकबांग बना रहा है. हाँ वार्निंग तो देता है 18+ बोल के. बट हाँ आई फिर से फीड में कुछ आ गया था उसका चैनल. और उसमें देखा कि ही डज फूड मुकबांग एक्चुअली. अल्कोहल तो ऐसे ही बीच बीच में किया है वो, एंड दैट वन गॉट वायरल. बट फूड का मुकबांग करता है, और वो भी कुछ ज़्यादा अमाउंट नहीं करता है. कि इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग नॉर्मल अमाउंट ही करता है. नहीं क्या?
You want chicken chutney?
थोड़ा दो.
But people are getting creative ना. सबने खाना कर लिया, चलो दारू कर लेते हैं.
हाँ. देन हम देखा कोई मतलब हेल्दी मुकबांग इज ऑल्सो समथिंग ए ट्रेंड.
अभी
I
हो
don't
रहा
know.
है या
अभी हो रहा है ना, आगे हो गया. बट देर आर वीडियोस हेल्दी मुकबांग बोल के.
इंडिया से या बाहर से?
जो हम वीडियो देखा वो बाहर का था, इंडिया का.
Or there's one YouTuber you have to check out who does mukbang. We used to follow him since very long, no? His channel's name is Avocado. Nico Avocado.
I hope I got it right, but
He's like,
वो तो टू मच एक्सट्रीम मुकबांग है उसका.
मतलब उसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया पूरा. When he started doing mukbang, we used to watch him and like share our laughter. पर अभी
Because
तो
he
देख
was,
के he was
quite
funny.
funny. So his mukbang, of course, he used to eat large quantities of food and mostly fast food.
Only fast food.
Only fast food. So उस टाइम में देख के बहुत मतलब थोड़ा it was entertaining because he was very entertaining. Other than eating, बहुत funny था आदमी. And then after that, I think we did not
we did not
watch any of his
him,
videos for a very long
for
time.
a very long time.
उस दिन सडनली कहाँ से फिर एल्गोरिदम में आ गया उसका, एंड द मैन इज कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. पहले तो पतला गाय था, पतला दुबला ही था, एंड नाउ ही इज वेइंग लाइक ओवर 450 pounds. Complete transformation, and he is still eating like large quantities of food. And बहुत ड्रामा है उसका
चैनल में.
हाँ, खाते खाते रो देता है,
that
क्या
is his
बोलता है,
USP.
किसी को गाली देता है. That he used to do earlier also, but I don't know whether that's an act. But in the process, his channel has grown a lot. He does not have one but multiple channels. But वही obviously his health, if you see, तो he has gained massive amount of weight. But coming back to my concern in the beginning, the effect mukbang has on people, you don't know, na? In the longer run you will know more. Now also there are a lot of reports. Because I knew I was going to speak about this before dinner, I just read up a little. So especially people who are struggling with a diet, with a healthy diet, who have addiction to food and all, mukbang has made it worse for many people. I'm sure उसका पॉजिटिव साइड, सब चीज़ का पॉजिटिव साइड भी है, नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. इसका भी पॉजिटिव साइड होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेल्दी मुकबांग तो आई थिंक इट हैज़ हेल्प्ड इन building careers of many people in YouTube, on YouTube. And then secondly, I think it has also, healthy mukbang has also exposed a lot of food cultures. Exchange of food cultures have happened.
हम कुछ खाई दिया. It's too hot. What was hot?
बाप रे, this आलू पिटिका.
हाँ.
इसमें इतना मर्चा ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, कूट की दिया होगा ना.
और करेला है.
सर मस्कीटो. ओह माय गॉड.
उसका सीड भी आ गया करेला का.
If you want to see us eating rice, which we do, let us know in the comment section down below. मेरा तो खाना ख़त्म हो गया. Usually I don't talk much while I eat. But today we are talking. And I'm also a very fast eater, a clean eater. I don't waste anything. So it actually angers me when I see people when they take food on their plate and then इतना सारा खाना छोड़ देता है, इतना मीट छोड़ देता है, दाल छोड़ देता है. So I feel like telling them, and at some occasions I do tell them, like, take as much as you think you can eat. Don't take more than you think then you can eat.
Basically you are saying don't waste food.
True.
But
because you directly you just cannot go and tell them like don't waste food.
But you know, a lot of mukbang culture is about wasting
Wastage,
food, man.
हाँ. अरे निको का दो avocado को देखो ना, he is just on the floor sitting crying with all the fast food all around him.
बहुत maximum mukbangers जो ज़्यादा खाता है वो लोग तो वेस्ट करता है. तो
It's such a gory side actually. हाँ. पता नहीं, when I see people doing mukbang, I feel like I enjoy watching them eat, especially the ones who are doing normal amounts of food. I feel like, oh, I am being, exposed to cultures, like different cultures, what kind of food they are eating. जैसे कि Indonesian जैसा खाता है, जैसे बोला ना. I see that they eat a lot of chutney also. So they have this packaged chutney ऐसा होगा, and they will put it on their plate and then they eat it. I find it satisfying. So
and some mukbang artists they show how they prepare the dish.
So that is also very
cook
interesting.
It and then they eat it.
Yeah.
That one is the most interesting.
Very interesting. जैसे कि of late we came across this channel from somebody from Bengal. I think the husband is shooting and the wife is cooking. They have an outdoor kitchen. So it was quite nice to see. Like she's cooking the food in an open kitchen. उसके बाद में she has a daughter and a mother-in-law. They all eat together. So I find that nice.
But that's not a mukbang channel.
That's not a mukbang. It's food related video. Yeah.
It's a cooking
lifestyle video sort of.
Cooking channel. And at the end they just eat. थोड़ा देर के लिए दिखाता है वो तो.
मतलब I've been gravitating towards such videos of late. और वैसे भी YouTube में आजकल हम लोग देखता ही नहीं है कुछ भी. We are always on Instagram, especially on Reels. Reels consume a lot of our time. I suppose this is the same case with most of the people out there. YouTube आजकल इतना नहीं देखते हैं. But recently I have started watching, but I don't
long
invest.
Form videos.
हाँ, long form videos में, but I don't invest a lot of time on YouTube anymore. But since the past few days we have started creating more videos on YouTube. Now I am getting into the hang of it फिर से. तुम्हारा तो बड़ा पसीना.
Because of the lights.
Light. मेरा पेट भी गर्म हो गया.
To shoot this video we are using a ring light.
Yeah.
So, and because of better sound we have turned on the fan. So basically एक बहुत unnatural setting में हम लोग खाना खाते हैं आज में. This is not our natural setting. ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए ये क्या है? And I don't think we are going to make another mukbang video.
Why?
ऐसे मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
It was your interest to do this.
Yes. हम तुमको बोला आज ये mukbang वीडियो बनाएगा, क्यों मालूम है?
क्यों? Because
I was more interested in talking about the effects of mukbang and what people think also about mukbang.
So generally हमारा plate when we eat रोटी हम लोग इस plate में खाते हैं. kashar bela bolte hai in Bengali. And when we eat rice, we eat it in a bowl. We have 2 bowls only for us. So very big bowl. Yeah. So that was an information. I don't think quite necessary that I had to give. But yeah, तो मेरा खाना खत्म हो गया. My mother used to tell us खाना खाने के बाद हाथ सूखा नहीं रखते. You have to wash it.
Wait for me.
You not done? What are you chewing?
Nimbu.
Great.
After that, we are going to eat
Pineapple.
Jatingaga pineapples. So thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
बोलिए.
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
So thank you for watching this.
For staying along.
Not so mukbang video of ours.
To watch a silly vlog, I think. Yeah.
So, but it would be nice if you share your views on mukbang. Anything positive, negative, we'd love to read it. And yeah, stay healthy. Wishing you everyone good health. We also try to keep making our eating patterns and behavior better. We learn from our mistakes. We kind of observe. So wish you all the best also.
Yes, and also if anybody out there in Haflang who wants to collaborate and make healthy mukbang videos with us, I'm open to that.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know about you.
तुम लोग करो, हम शूट करेगा.
ठीक है.
नहीं तो हम शूट नहीं करें, तुम लोग करो, बाद में हम वीडियो देखेगा.
Okay. ठीक है. If anybody out there who's interested, I am interested in doing a mukbang video with you, but a healthy one. I don't have a very big stomach, so I don't think I'll be able to eat like abnormal amount of food, but good amount of food I can eat. So with that, let's end this vlog and see you soon in the next vlog.
Okay, bye bye, good night, see you tomorrow.